guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nicole and you're watching Nic.Inc.Artistry. So today I have for you guys the Mercury Retrograde palette. This palette is beyond beautiful. Honestly, it's so beautiful. Is it the most perfect palette ever though? I know, stay tuned for the end because I dive into a little bit of some tea on it. But it is a beautiful palette. I've kind of been eyeing it for a little while now, and when I had a Sephora gift card, I really wanted to pick it up. So that is why we're here today. We're diving on into it, and we created this beautiful look, somewhat inspired by I Love Sarah High here on YouTube. I'll go ahead and link her channel down below and her video that she did. I just kind of opted out the blue that she put underneath. I just thought that was a little too much. I am going to work today, and we don't want to be that extra today. We don't want to go that extra step. We're also been talking a little bit about astrology and zodiac signs. I've really been into that kind of stuff and manifesting. Don't forget to like this video if you like makeup tutorials and if you like me testing out new palettes. And also comment down below what you guys want to see from me next. And while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday of the week. So let me stop talking so we can get right on into this palette. If you want to see how we got this beautiful look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so just jumping right on in. I'm just setting my primer with the shade Momentum from the palette. Alright, and our first color we're going to dive into is going to be Off Balance. It is a beautiful like mauve color. It's really pretty. Now, like I said, I'm taking inspiration from I Love Sarah High, or whatever her real name is. I found her picture on Pinterest and her look was gorgeous. Definitely a little bit more dramatic than what I'm gonna do today, so I'm definitely gonna kind of simplify that version that she did. All right, so now we're gonna go in with our second shade. We're gonna go with the shade Hot Mess, which is a beautiful, like deep, like mauve color. And we're gonna really start just building that up on the outer corner. And I did want to talk to you guys about something that I've been really getting into recently. So I've been really getting into astrology and not only like my sign, but just kind of reading in on like other people's signs and like the rising and the moon signs and all that kind of thing. I've always really been into astrology. I mean, I literally have the moon tattooed on me. Like I love, you know, outer space and all that kind of stuff. And I never really like dove too deep into it because I mean, there's a lot of skeptics out there. I mean, I was kind of partially one of them. I never really believed like 100% everything that they said. Like, especially with your horoscope, how, you know, they're designed to fit for really anyone, you know? Like your day-to-day horoscope, a bunch of people can kind of look at that horoscope and say like, wow, like that totally fits to me, when it's just kind of a broad like explanation of things. I don't know, now that I kind of like more understand like the science behind it, and when you do like your birth chart and everything with the like planets and stuff, I think that is like literally the coolest thing ever. I mean, that is not a lie. Like that is definitely science and everything. That's like just like the coolest thing ever. So I'm a Gemini, so comment down below what is your zodiac sign, and do you believe it? Do you read your horoscope every day or whatever? I've been watching Stargirl, the Practical Witch. I'll put her link in the description box. Her videos are so freaking good. Oh my gosh, she really like got me into it crazy the past like month, I would say. She does like tarot card readings on YouTube, so she like lays out a couple decks and she says, you know, pick whatever deck that's in front of me that resonates with you. And I swear though, but that was like crazy. Like my deck that I picked, that was me, like 100,000%. It's just the coolest thing. Like that worked for me. I know like tarot cards even are kind of iffy. I don't know, some people believe in them, some people don't. Alright, so now we're going to take a tiny bit of Vortex on the fluffy blending brush, just the tip of that, and I'm just tapping that just on the outer corner. We're really not going to bring this in too far or anything, because we don't want our look to get too dark too fast. Alright, and I believe that she cut the crease before she put any of the shimmery colors on her lid, but I'm just going to go straight in with them. I'm going to take the shade Nebula. The shade is so beautiful. It's like a jean blue in the pan, but when you swatch it, it's definitely more purple. So we're just going to take that all over our lid, and we're going to keep it more towards the center of the lid. So also keeping in with the theme astrology, like we were just saying, I feel like the word of the year for me is going to be manifest or manifesting. If you don't know the actual definition, I will put it on the screen. So the definition of a manifestation is the public display of emotion or feeling or something theoretical made real. Now, this is seriously gonna be my year. I really want to live by this word, kind of. And I'll also post another really good video about it below. It's from Nic.Inc.Artistry. She's from Nikki and Gabby, the two twins that are here on YouTube. I've been watching them since I don't know, for a really long time. Like, they really inspired me to get on YouTube and everything like that as well. But Nikki just posted a video and she did a vision board, kind of how, like, what she wants to, you know, manifest into 2020 for her brand, for her YouTube, for everything for her. And it was kind of funny because I literally just got done kind of laying out my, like, inspiration board or mood board or whatever. It was kind of freaky that we were on the same wavelength, basically. But she was just saying that, you know, she wants to manifest things into reality. So when you manifest things, it's basically like saying, like, if you want to get a new job or if you want to get a promotion this year, you have to speak it into existence in order for it to, like, become a real thing. So if I want a promotion for my job, I need to say, like, I'm going to get a promotion for my job this year, or I'm going to get a promotion for my job within the next however many months. You have to speak it into existence. So already a huge goal for mine, I want to hit at least 1,000 subscribers this year here on YouTube, kind of like a short-term goal right now. So I've already spoken into existence. I probably said it like 10 times yesterday. I'm like, I'm going to hit 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So I'm speaking it into existence now because I want that to happen. I really want that to be a huge goal. I'm putting 1,000% into YouTube right now. This is definitely my, like, main thing going on. So yeah, I really just want to make that dream a reality, I guess. But we're not done with eye look, so let's get back to this. So we're gonna go in with the Ultraviolet, which is a beautiful purple shade. And we're gonna put that more on, like, our inner corner, blending that back into the other one. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and do our lower lash line. So I'm gonna take Off Balance, which is that, like, first mauve color that we started out with. I'm just gonna start blending that underneath. But yeah, so I just want to manifest really good energy this year. I feel like that was kind of a big reason why 2019 wasn't a good year for me, is just because I was so negative about it. You know, one thing would happen, I'm like, oh, this whole year is ruined, so I'm just gonna be negative basically for the rest of it. It's really easy to do, and I'm one to talk because I literally was called, like, Negative Nicole in high school. Like, I just have a very, like, negative, I think it's more of, like, an optimistic way about me. You know, if I see that something's gonna happen, I'm just like, okay, like, it's gonna happen. Like, there's nothing you could do, so, you know, which you definitely shouldn't really live life like that, I guess. I'm gonna be taking Hot Mess, once again, on that lower lash line. But yeah, this year I'm really going to be positive and I'm going to speak things into existence. I'm going to manifest them because I want this year to be my year, and it is going to be my year. Manifesting. But also Stargirl the Practical Witch, she also does, like, monthly, like, Zodiac horoscope readings and stuff. So she'll post, like, an hour or 2 hour long video, and she'll put the timestamps in the description. So, you know, if you're a Gemini, look at this timestamp, or if you're a Cancer, look at this one, that kind of thing. And so she says to look at not only your primal zodiac, but, you know, your rising sign, your moon sign, all those kind of things, which is so interesting. I am a rising Taurus, which is very interesting. I see that part about myself for sure. And my moon sign is a Pisces, which is actually funny because my boyfriend and both of his parents are Pisces as well. So that's really fun. It is actually the year of the Pisces. So if you're a Pisces, it's your year and I'm jealous of you. But I'll post her a video down below because she really went in on it. And my January horoscope, I'm still shook about it. Oh my gosh, I'm just shook. It's really unbelievable too that it's, like, true, actually. Like, it's crazy. I never really believed it, but, like, she, like, specifically goes in and she, like, knows the whole background and she knows the different houses and she's really into it. It's great. All right, guys, so we're back. So my dad started vacuuming or something. Shocker there, I know. So I did go ahead and put Supermoon on my inner corner. I went ahead and curled my lashes and put some mascara on. And I've actually been living for this Loreal Voluminous mascara in the shade Deep Green. You cannot tell even that it's green on the lashes, but I don't know, I think it's just, like, kind of fun. Like, ooh, I have green mascara on, but no one can see. Like, it's kind of fun. I don't know. It's a little something different at least. And then I did go ahead and add a lip. I just went ahead and with my Velvet Matte Lipstick from Victoria's Secret in the shade Secret Lover. And I'm not even gonna put a gloss over it. I know, I think we're stepping out of our comfort zone. 2020, new year, new me. We're not even gonna add a gloss, so we're moving right along. I love the look that we got today. I think it is so pretty. I love that we took some inspiration from a photo, but we didn't do exactly the whole thing. But I did want to say some final remarks about the palette. A couple things that I don't really like about it. So first and foremost, the palette is plastic. But I don't know, I just don't really like plastic palettes because I feel like they could break easier. I don't know, I feel like a like cardboard palette is like more durable in a way. I don't know, so that's just kind of that. The shades are beautiful though. I definitely picked up the palette because they're so beautiful. But I did notice one similarity. I think it is very, very similar to the Carly Bible and Anastasia palette. I don't know, what do you guys think? Genuinely, there are a lot of very similar shades. I have to say that, a lot of very similar shades. Anastasia palette came out earlier. That one came out before the Huda palette, so it's very interesting. I actually just posted a look with the Carly Bible palette up on my channel, so I'll go ahead and link that above. But yeah, I don't know, I just think that they're very similar, so that's just definitely something to know. I don't know if I realized that if I would have picked this one up. I do think this one is beautiful, but like I said, I got it really mainly for like that Mercury beautiful blue shade, but I probably won't really wear it. It's just really out of my comfort zone. Maybe I will though, you never know. The swatches were not the best. I've seen a lot of other like swatch pictures on Pinterest. I really look for Pinterest for a lot of makeup inspiration, but the swatches that I saw on Pinterest were so beautiful. You know, one swatch could go for days, that kind of thing. Some of the shimmers in here are beautiful, so gorgeous, like the one that I used today. Like Ultraviolet, that beautiful purple, it really isn't a great shimmer. It's very soft in the pan, but not much comes off on my finger when I press into it. But Nebula can go for days. Nebula is basically the one all over our lid. And that one is shining, sparkling, splendid. I mean, it's beautiful. So I wouldn't want to change that formula. I don't know, a couple of the other ones are a little bit hit or miss. The mattes are beautiful and soft, but I don't know. I guess it's all about what you like and what you look for in a palette. I wish they would have had a couple more dark or deep shades in the palette. I think it's definitely missing that. But if you want to dip in a couple other palettes, that's all right too. So final thoughts. It was a great palette. I will be using it again because it is part of my collection now and I won't let it go to waste. But let me know what you guys thought of it down below. And if you guys liked this look, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And please do subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. I do post new videos here every Tuesday and Friday of the week, and I would love to have you here. So with that all being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.